She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, guys, we are going to do a sweet mashup dessert. We are going to take a classic German chocolate cake and mash that up with a nice, delicious brownie. So in that case, we are going to make some German chocolate brownies. So if this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to please drop me a comment down below. If you can, share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
It's what you make it, my shit been amazing. I can't see a way out, I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places, I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. See my face, I've been chasing at the paper. Been all for the waiters, with everything again. Ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves. With everything to prove, now it's going how I see it through my lens. But it's stuck in my head, I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I've lost somewhere in my head, I've been out here all on my own. Looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me for they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, then your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. But the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus, barely keep composure. Hard when I've been coping with all the pressure that I fed. Make it hard to hold my head, make it hard to get to sleep. Like I'm slipping from the edge, struggling to get a breath. Right the wrongs with the lead, life is not a guarantee. Niggas dying by the clip, self-prescribed a dealer mess. Now the way to flee the scene, I've been trying to get a grip onto something out of reach. Life is speeding to a peak, it's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running for myself, we all afraid to die alone. Scared that's all it ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed, afraid we'll never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I'm lost somewhere in my head,
Alright you guys, so here are the German chocolate brownies. Of course we have that delicious brownie on the bottom along with that German chocolate, the homemade German chocolate topping on the brownies. So within every bite you get that ideal taste of a German chocolate cake. I definitely recommend you guys give this a try. You can go ahead and make your own brownies. I actually do have a brownie recipe on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box. Or you can make it a shortcut like I did and go ahead and just use some pre-boxed brownie mix that you do have. And then we have that homemade German chocolate frosting or topping that we put on the brownies. If you want, you can also buy the pre-made frosting as well. But in this case, I took it semi-homemade, so I had the box brownies with the homemade German chocolate frosting. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Again, I definitely recommend you give it a try. If you can, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did like the video. Also, drop me a comment down below, guys. If you can, share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you for watching. Bye guys.